Hello, this is Daniel from DK Building. Let me tell you a bit more about our most recently completed deep retrofit project in Warrington. Our clients wanted warm, airtight, comfortable and healthy house. Wherever possible, we used natural insulation materials like wood fibre and airtight membranes and tapes. Bathroom received full makeover with a mechanical ventilation unit in the bathroom loft, underfloor heating and highly performing magnesium insulation boards to maximize available space. Clever use of existing space was required, so bespoke joinery was used in existing library to hide manifold and hot water cylinder. It looks like typical library until you press the magic button and then pronto, all important central heating controls disappear. Loft was comprehensively thermo modernized. We raised the existing roof, fitted triple glazed window unit, made it airtight and insulated, and installed underfloor heating to make cozy and comfortable office space. As our client said, it is a real joy to work there now. Structural work in the kitchen added few much needed square meters. Some kitchen units had to be removed and walls around them insulated, and then kitchen units refitted to minimize thermal bridges. As with any other rooms in the house, we tried to preserve the original look, trying to keep existing features, adding necessary modern improvements where needed. Outside, the house it might look only slightly different than before, and inside, this is a brand new home.
Made the whole build so much easier having that confidence and trust in the building team.